All right, welcome back again to my channel. You see, I'm not going to waste much time in this particular video. All I need from you, please and please give me your ear and let's go through this. Very, very, very important. Some of you already know by seeing the picture you have here, you can tell what you're about to talk about. Some people don't understand when people talk about Mass American and Biafran freedom. Some people say that you are calling for war. You are instigating problem. You are creating fear. You just want to make people to start feeling bad. There's no cause for alarm. Nigeria will stand. Nigeria will move. When issues like this come up, people begin to change their statement. Remember, these guys, they want people to know and believe that insecurity and kidnapping, anything going on in our land, is about Mass American and Biafran and ESN. Those who care to know already know that is not true. But you see this individual that I have here, they are not the only one. There are other people that are made that we don't have chance to add them up. But you have to start with the one that are more popular. Kesh also is not here. Not that we skip him. Fadoluoma is not here. You understand? So many of them, so many of them. But the truth is that anytime the real terrorists appear, they always go hiding. Always. I woke up this morning, I was checking on social media. Then I stumbled on a video of and some other people. Just a moment. Let me end this. So I stumbled on a video, on a post made by Parallel Space. Is that what they call themselves? Parallel what? What's the name of this platform? They call them Parallel Facts. Okay, Parallel Facts. So let me bring it up so we can go through it. But I want you to understand that this is not a good news. It's actually an attack in Enugu State by suspected Fulani terrorist group. Enugu State is gone. Gone, 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 gone. So sad, honestly. All that states may say, we are exempted. Believe me, it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. It's a very shocking information. Let's go through it. Pay attention. So what you have here now, what you have here is, like I said, is post made by Parallel Facts. Say breaking: terrorists invade Enugu Catholic Church, abduct seminarians and worshippers during Sunday Mass. And this publication was made yesterday, being 2nd of August 2026. Today is 3rd of August 2026. And you have this headline news making wave on social media, and people are relaxing, no problem. Let's go there. But mind you, you will not see Chioma Jovika, all these guys. You can go Rago, Udele can never. Udele will rather throw part that. Thank God that his cousins managed to capture some people in Enugu State. You know, and Hachabokandi, I don't know, look at it from Sabongere, their lineage pretend to be an Igbo. Anyway, let's continue. He said panic erupted in Enugu State on Sunday after suspected terrorists invaded St. Joseph Catholic Church in Inoye, Afa, Udi local government area of local government area of Enugu State, abducting a seminarian and several worshippers during a Sunday Mass. The attack reportedly stormed the church. The attackers reportedly stormed the church while the service was in the progress, disrupting worship and walking away the victim, whisking away the victims into a nearby forest. Community source said the kidnapped seminarian had returned to his hometown for the burial of his father before the attack occurred. So The man, the seminary is actually probably in school or somewhere else. He just returned because of the burial of the father. And he said to attend church in his own community. And he was being kidnapped. Alome. Okay. He said the residents said the government escaped before local vigilante could intercept them, leaving the community in shock as worshippers flee the church premises in fear. The incident has heightened anxiety among residents and already grappling with growing insecurity in the parts of the state. According to information shared by community members, one catechist who was initially taken by the attackers was later released, while efforts could continue to locate and rescue the remaining captives. You see the picture of here? To tell you people that are involved in that. If you go through here, like this place, they talked about it in another, panic and also this is another way, but let's continue. Read more terrorists storm Kwara State community, abduct residents, kill women, and as several others feared death and all that. So not only in Enugu State, it's happening everywhere in Nigeria, like always. When people talk about Christian genocide, they say, oh, no, it's not true. This part of Udi is where there's one man who grow white beard that stays, I think he lives in somewhere in Germany, in Europe. That is his own content is about Can and Samanekpa, that idiotic human being. This is his own part of Enugu State. That is where this is going on. Can he come out and make video? No, not at all. McCann is still breathing. Samanekpa is still alive. So they deserve to be talked. They deserve to talk about him, talk down on him more than any other thing that they speculate on social media. They don't care about that. The attention and the focus is on them. Let's continue. The video circulating on social media showed distressed residents gathering near the church shortly after the attack, with one community member making an emotional appeal for urgent intervention from security agencies to rescue those still in captivity. Those still in captivity. Now, listen. This is the part that makes me angry. Now, remember, this is Nigeria. Okay, this is in Nigeria. This happened in Nigeria, and the same thing happened in Nigeria. We have seen stories, or we have read history or stories of how the security agency that this guy is calling now, how they have operated in other places like Kwara State, Benue State, Katsina, Maiduguri, even Ondo, Edo State. We have seen how this Nigerian security forces, police, army, civil defense, and air force, and what have you, they don't rescue anybody easily. They always side and protect these guys. Now, you know that you are on your own. Instead of you to do something on time to avoid this kind of thing, before even to do something that will stop them to kidnap anybody, let alone calling for assistance, you said no. You're focused on how to call security force to come and help you. Really? How have they helped other people? What makes you think that they're going to help you? Let's continue. Locals lamented that the vigilante group were unable to pursue the attackers effectively because they were heavily armed, urging security authorities to deploy more personnel to the area to prevent further attacks on residents and places of worship. When you know that the people that the government you are calling are pushing for jihad, to introduce jihad law to you, and you expect them to bring more security to prevent themselves from carrying out this jihad. You see the mentality of Ndi Baweketa. Let's continue. He said the latest incident added to the growing concern over the waves of kidnapping and violent attacks affecting communities across parts of the Southeast, with residents calling for stronger security measures to safeguard lives and property. Kainago, if you go just presidential speech, just now. As of the time of filing this report, security agencies had not issued any official statement on the incident. Why searching and rescue? Why search and rescue efforts by local vigilantes and community members continued in surrounding forests? The attacks. Okay, before I go there, let me remind you, the search and rescue team, they know they cannot. They are searching from different forests rather than the forest. They know that these guys are camping because they have told you here that these terrorists have they equip themselves with sophisticated weapon to compare to what they have. Remember, they complained that security vigilante could not pursue them because of the poor, equipment they have. That they don't have what it takes to compare what terrorists have, so they cannot even dare to fight them and chase them thoroughly because these guys have their own firepower is second to none. They set it up there. Here they pretend that they're searching, in the other forest. You know the forest where they took them to. Why don't you go there if you want to search them? Because you know that you don't have what it takes. And government is not going to allow you to have, even if you dare try to use the one you have now to resist them, government will come and do, such as combing, searching the communities and the houses of residents to take away your dead gun and leave you handicapped for further capturing, to make sure that the community is being handed over to them. The attack has once again drawn the attention to the vulnerable. Is that the okay? Let me continue. It's not there. He said, as of the time of firing. Okay, I think I've gone through this one. Okay, and the community members continue to surround the forest. Okay, let me get back there. He said, as of the time of filing this filing this report, security agencies had not issued any official statement on the incident, while search and rescue efforts by local vigilantes and community members continue in surrounding forests and Shashi. They know what they're doing. The attack has once again drawn attention to the vulnerability of the regions of vulnerability of the religious institutions to armed violence, with residents expressing hope that the abducted seminarian and the other worshippers will be rescued safely and reunite with their family. The hope is hope. So this is it. And you may say you are blaming Enugu State government. What about what do you even call them? Non-government actors, ordinary citizens? What are they doing? They are on social media, on YouTube, insulting people that are telling you the only way, the only solution, what you must do. They're insulting you, cajoking, mocking, and what have you. But this kidnapping is not resisted, it's not meant for any group. It is anybody, anytime. It never can tell. May God save us. But you have to save yourself, though. You have to save yourself. Now, there's one guy who normally attack anything Mass American, who normally say he's one of the people that are, his own content is about Mass American. Look at this idiot here. You see this guy? This is one of the recruited Itim Pataka on social media as of today. There are so many. I'm going to bring another one, maybe in our main platform. That one, they say he resides in Dubai, talking from, like, contradicting himself. People, Igbo men these days, some of them cannot even reason. You see this guy never, Oyana Brako, Manamamihe Korea. He always want to talk about Masamukan Samanepa. This nobody know him. He's not growing his platform by insulting Masamukan and promoting DOS while talking about Nigerian politics. A man that cannot tell you, okay, this is what I want, this is my observation, I've known that Nigeria is not working, this is what I want, this is what I want, this is what I think we should do. No. He'll be praising Atiku, talking about Atiku, praising P2B, that kind of thing. His own administration and the way forward is P2B becoming Nigerian government. Look at his mustache, telling that he's not a young guy, he's a mature man with beards. Growing facial hair is good. But how about your brain getting matured? That's a story, another problem. Most of them have Opana brain with a mustache as a matured man. But when it comes to reasoning, they scored -0. That even 0% is more, more honorable to compare their scores. I mean, their record and their performance mentally. Now, hear what this guy said here. Listen.
In the Enugu, Udi, side Udi. Na seminary anobele California. Nande na na ponde mmadụ gbakpọrọ fa. Buru seminary and buru catechis. Do you understand what I'm saying? And some other people Gali church. Buru fa.
All this news I watch get on the report. Na ka foku magia.
However, I'm off here. Manaka, you watch the video ka enu ife fa na-ekwu ya.
Anyị nọ mmiri na-edo ebe anyị na-akwado ụka anyị na-akwado ụka ka anyị jebe ụka n'ibe anyị kwụziri ka anyị na-akwado na ndị ọzọ agbarụgba atachi na ndị na semidiala anyị ụka na ndị ọzọ nọ n'ụlọ ụka na catechis anyị na-akpara awa efụba so ka anyị na-agbagharịzi ka anyị eji wee mee na ndị polisi a were gbara bịa chike saịdị ọma anyị gosiwe saịdị ndị polisi were gbara bịa so ka anyị niile boys ati ụkwụ anyị gbaba edo maasị fancha niile buche egbe fa dị 7 in number fa buche AK-45 fancha niile we anyị bụ gba aka nkịtị na eke anyị dị onwe ife anyị ji na-eyi ụtọ anyị ka eke ka yutu masarị aka nkịtị ka anyị gba anyị ka akpa aka bụ etuba ndị ji egbe anyị ka agba aka anyị dị winning ịba boost anyị dị winning ịba boost anyị ka agba aka okay, no, man, imagine.
Dijot Maloso. I will we have BAM. BAM with a very big platform that the whole world, even American people are hearing his voice, right? Call BAM to rescue them. Oh, I will Choma getting one to get to the master by 5 by force. Choma, come and speak for them so that the people will go and rescue your siblings, your relatives, your people. Yeah, we cannot be clean ourselves. We cannot be clean ourselves. Oh yeah. Also, time to rescue people. Don't forget we have a very powerful woman being Anna General Odogu Ijere. Where is Ijere? Ijere, oh, there's a group called Cobweb, Spider Web of Ikengu. Also, you see, if you begin to lie to yourself, you will end up turning yourself to a story that people will tell your story without even no respect, no regard. If you are lucky enough, they will jot you down. I'm not saying that killing Igbo people is good. I'm not saying you should start committing constitutional nuisance, criminality in protest that you are looking for Biafra. No, I don't support that. But we all know that this group of people that I put their pictures here, for example, look at them. There's just few here. There are so many others. All right, so many of them are yet to be here. If you have to put it, you can count. They are not up to 100. Let me be kind enough, 150 people. Then if you get to go on social media, begin to document their pictures and all that, there can be up to 100 or 150. You get a point. They are the one trying to control an Igbo. Jihadist enablers. That 2/3 of them are not even in Igbo land. 2/3 of them are not in Igbo land. The question is, am I saying everyone should keep quiet? Why some people will be constituting nuisance and criminality in our land because of Biafra? No. But what these guys are doing that pisses me off is this: they tag every criminal gang in our land to Mazakan and IPB, knowing fully well that this IPB or Biafran movement, Biafran freedom is the only way. They know. But because of their hatred on the man, Mazakan, they are now calling IPOB names. Wazuru can make it the list. If you have to document the names, he's one of them. As of now, he's one of them. So these are things you need to understand. Now, Fulani attacking all these people that you see, they are very vocal when it comes to IPOB Biafra. Even look at this one. You see here, they go Ruma Rock. He is busy telling that Master can to be beheaded. All of them. That Kono fake woman. Putting their friends in prison, solidifying the illegal abduction of Indigo. That's her own foreign affair, foreign affair minister. That's the job. Jovika, native doctor, truck driver, musician, and everything. Another liar. Maybe podcast. These guys are with questionable characters. When you talk, they say you are talking. But hear how this one analyze the video. Let's hear him. Hear him. Continue.
Because government na for be na eme ya bụ na ino ya fa ka ọ na-eme Governor Peter Mba benye na anya aka o Peter Mba na anyị na-agwa gị na-eke yutu wụsara ebe a ọ bụ na anyị kpa egbe na ụlọ nwe ebe bụ ndị abanye na anyị na-amaka anyị ka ịbanye gụje chụpụtara anyị agbagoro aka chọọ na anyị nwere ike ịtụ anyị ererize egbe agbanyere anyị egbe a na-agba anyị egbe mana anyị dịka agba aka nkịtị wee chụtọkwebe so biko na anyị na-ayọ Peter Mba gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka gbatara onye ọsọ enyemaka ife a na-afụ ebe niile ọ bata na be anyị bụ afa n'ime ọgọ n'ime ụlọ ụka ka a bata bịa kpụsi seminari a n'anyị ọ dịghị mma it's unfair anyị na-agwa gị biko nyere anyị aka obodo ihe ya nọ kịta a na-abịa na be anyị akpụkọzi ụmụ ndị be anyị niile mana ihe ụtọ anyị wụsarị onweghị onye nyere ekwi gbara aka nkịtị na sekuriti anyị sekuriti anyị na anyị na-ebe a no arms anyị dịka agba aka wee jebe ọgụ we cannot go with empty-handed. Peter Mba, do something for us. Do something. We are begging you. We are begging you, Peter Mba, do something.
Chairman with the local government.
Chairman local government. Chairman with the local government. We are not calling on you. We are youth. We are calling on you.
Speaker.
Yeah, speaker. I am begging. Because speaker, I am begging. I am begging. Because so ni wale wanyi
Okay, unu anụgo ife ụmụnna anyị a na-ekwu ebe a kịta na
gee ntị ka ịnụzie ka amara ozo ya ga-eze anyị nke abụrụ masta mmadụ ka anọ ọya ndị lọvụrụ Igbo land ọya
ndị napin bata n'ime chọọchị bụrụ seminarian bụrụ kwe catechist and some other people wee baa ime ọfịa na pa chụọ na fon fa nwere ike adana dia vigilante na-equip lofa na fe nwelo egbe. Do you understand what I'm saying? If I've even looked at my last video, you will fair or Chichipito in Anambra State. That in every village in Anambra State, in during Pitobi, Oge Pitobi Nachi, Anambra State, every vigilante will pick up na heroes nke gote no na aka ịnọsị and equip fancha niile na-akwụfanụ fụ ụgwọ because ọ bụ na South East governors niile implement the same measure that na every village ga-enwe security and a ga-equip fa na-akwụfa ezigbo ụgwọ ifolu ndị a ifolu na-abịa eme ife a Enugu they come they do am. During Peter Obi. Some village Ibatanian the major road na-enwe barrier. Onwe time eji akpuchie n'abalị. Onwe time eji akpupie n'ụtụtụ. Do you understand? otu amalọzi m ife na-eme nke ikpeazụ a ịghọtago ekwubuola m ife a before. Let every governor nọ na South East organize by youth to be willing to be the vigilante. Farmer ka village fasi wede farmer in and out ọfịa befa niile mmadụ ayala abata n'obodo fa bịa na-apụ ọfa buru ha pakwa na the same ọfịa befa and if fa ji eji wee na-atụ ụjọ ichase these people because na fa ejile backup ejile egbe.
Okay, Okuchena. You see how this guy turned this to campaign to P2B. You see how he turned this incident now to P2B campaign, to campaign for him. No P2B. If a man, if I make a request, the same you are using your platform justifying why Masan should remain in prison. None the do to ya. Now causes security in Igbo. Now, you should have used this opportunity to call for the head of the terrorists to be in prison, or head of kidnappers to be in prison. No, you can't do that. Why would you do that? You cannot try it. If I can make the buy, mail the buy, you believe. This is how they behave. You abuse a calling and promoting for arrest of Igbo youths. In the Koko vigilante or more, even good for youth one, getting the Gaboze vigilante one. And the ESN, IPOB, Mazin Lamo de Can, Mazin Lamo de Can, if I'm in a leave, but let's see, I do now or see you talk. If I'm a rebel. In Anambra today, so we don't have people called that code with hillocks. Is Anambra not safe? Is Anambra safe? Okay, what is the contribution of ESN, IPOB, Biafra movement, Biafra agitator, Mazan to this incident? No, right? Nothing. But you used to tell us that this security in Igbo land is only Biafran people are causing it. So who caused this one? Okay, this one is only security. Unucha explain tire. I pity the innocent ones that are dying and paying the price. Not because if you begin to listen to this kind of people, you'll be tempted not to do anything or say anything, to protect or to let people know what is going on in our land. The problem is internal, purely internal. Imagine if this has to do with ESN. Will you make this analysis? No. That's why I said that all of you are accomplices. All of you have sold your hands in a very, very, very dirty situation. I'm going to end it here. Let me know what you think about all this discussed so far. As na okuna abada, I have to drop this way. Obuni deso na akwaya okuna ninda na akwaya went to Adobe. Makawole image. Today is Nudi. Who knows? Another person who knows where the thing will happen next. Nobody can tell. But God will perfect it and help us and keep us alive. God bless you all. Day one. Bye-bye for now.